Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyib and today topic is transfer learning. Let's start it. Transfer learning is a machine learning techniques where our model trained on one task is repurposed on or fine tuned for another related task. This approach enables the model to leverage knowledge and future learned from the initial task to improve performances on the new task. Benefits of transfer learning: first is reduced tuning time and data requirements. Second is improved model performances and accuracy. Third is ability and adapt to a new task and domains. Four is enhanced future extraction and representation. Type of transfer learning: first is inductive transfer learning, applies knowledge from one task to another related task. Second is a transfer learning, applies knowledge from one domain to another related domain. Third is unsupervised transfer learning, applies knowledge from enabled data to improve performances on labeled data. Application of transfer learning: first is computer vision, object detection, image classification, segmentation. Second is natural language processing, NLP, language models, sentiment analysis, text classification. Third is speech recognition, speech to text, voice recognition. Four is robotics control, policies and reinforcement learning. Popular transfer learning model: first is pre-trained convolutional neural network, CNNs, VGG, REST, and net caption. Second is pre-trained recurrent neural networks, RNNs, LSTM, GRU. Third is pre-trained language models, BERT, ROBERTA, World 2 VEC. Challenges and limitation: first is domain shift and data set base. Second is overfitting and underfitting. Third is selecting uh, and appropriate pre-trained model and fine-tuning strategy. Four is balancing knowledge transfer and task-specific learning. Best practices: first is choice a relevant pre-trained model and tasks. Second is fine-tune the model with a small learning rate. A third is using regulation techniques to prevent overfitting. Four is monitor performances on a validation set. Here are some additional aspects of transfer learning. Transfer learning techniques: first is fine tuning adjustment, pre-trained model wait for a new task. Second is future extraction, using pre-trained model future as input for a new task. Third is weight sharing weight between models for related tasks. Four is multitask learn train learning training a single model on multiple tasks simultaneous. Transfer learning and deep learning: first is convolutional neural network, CNNs, transfer learning for image classification, object detection, segmentation. Second is recurrent regular neural network, RNNs, transfer learning for languages modeling, text classification, speech recognition. Third is transfer learning for NLP tasks such as machine translation, question answering. Transfer learning in reinforcement learning: first is policy transferring policies between related tasks. Second is value function transferring value function between related tasks. Third is skill transferring skills between related tasks. Transfer learning challenges: first is negative transfer, when pre-trained knowledge starts performances on the new tasks. Second is overfitting, when the model becomes too specialized to the pre-trained task. Third is underfitting, when the model fails to adapt to the new task. Four is domain shift, when the pre-trained data and new task data have different distributed. Transfer learning application: first is healthcare transfer learning for medical images analysis, diseases diagnosis. Second is finance translate learning for stock prediction, credit risk assessment. Third is autonomous vehicle transfer learning for object detection, motion. force forecasting.